Samsung has finally confirmed it. Their very first triple folding smartphone is set to arrive this year. But the funny part is, we still haven't seen the real device in action. Thankfully, the leaks haven't slowed down, and they're giving us a much better idea of what the Galaxy Z Trifold might actually look like. And now, there's a brand new leak to add to the pile. This one's a bit different, though. Instead of photos or renders, it's an animation pulled straight from inside the phone's software. It was shared on X by Tech Highest, and it reveals one of the coolest tricks of the trifold, taking selfies with the rear cameras. The concept is pretty similar to what we've seen on the Fold 7, but since this phone has 3 panels, you get an extra screen to play around with. The animation also shows how the device folds and unfolds, and honestly, it's exactly what most of us expected. Nothing too surprising there. But here's the thing, animations can only tell part of the story. Until we actually get to hold the phone and try it out, it's hard to say how practical it'll really feel in day-to-day use. That said, we did get our hands on Huawei's Mate XT last year, and that form factor definitely showed promise. Of course, the elephant in the room is price. Huawei's Mate XT came in at a jaw-dropping $2,800, and if that's any indication, Samsung's Trifold could easily hit the same range, maybe even higher. That's a huge price tag, even if the phone is basically 3 devices rolled into one. Samsung's mobile chief, Roy, actually addressed this during IFA in Berlin. He mentioned that development is in its final stages and confirmed the device will launch before the year is over. So the wait isn't going to be too long, but here's the twist. It probably won't be a worldwide launch right away. Reports suggest Samsung will release it in small numbers and only in select regions to test the market first. The second generation, though, should be more refined and get a wider release sometime next year. So yeah, this is shaping up to be one of Samsung's boldest devices yet. The real question is, will people actually be willing to pay that much for it? Drop your thoughts down in the comments, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.